Guys, I only have this duck puppet. It's getting a little boring, guys. So I'm gonna go and let's go look for some fidgets. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go look for some fidgets. Oh my God, guys! Look at that girl. She's so rich. She has a stack of those puppets. And she also have 3 dimples and the Rubik's Cube and that marble for puppets. Oh my God, I'm gonna trade her. Hi, can I trade you, please? Please?
Oh. Yeah, sure.
So can I trade for your popsicle? Cause it's really my dream puppet.
This one?
Yes.
Well, okay then. What's your offer?
My offer is just duck puppet. Sorry, this is the only thing I have.
Can you please add?
Huh? No.
Okay then. Go find somewhere in the fidget tub. Find
Okay.
the fidget tub. I want is a butterfly puppet and a big butterfly puppet that is white and color changing, and an Among Us puppet.
Okay.
Rainbow.
Okay. Let's guys go. I like this. Yeah, this duck said. Okay, guys, let's go. They're trading up. Cheat one. Okay, guys, we're here to trade. By the way, guys, I found they also include this puppet in the hub. It's so soft. And it also makes shapes. Yeah. Wait a minute. Does that look like a puppet? Oh my goodness, it's an Among Us shape puppet. Oh my God. Oh my God, nurse. Okay, guys, that was a terrible joke. Okay. Oh my God, this pup's so good. It's also, guys, super soft. Let's go look for more. Okay, let's just, guys, live that. Oh my God, there's another one. My inventory. Okay. Oh, a squishmallow.
Hello.
That talks. No way I'm getting that. Okay. What's this? I have to fix this. Oh, it's a puppet. Guys, this is actually what you wanted. Guys, since this one, let's look. Oh, this. Nice. Okay, let's go back to that girl. Oh, hi.
Hi. So, you got a fidget I wanted?
This.
And I also got a new fidget.
Oh my God, it's cute.
Hello.
Talks. He also found a talking squishmallow.
So can I have the fidget I want?
I think here I'll take you this. That's enough.
I wanted a butterfly.
Oh my God, you have to add because this is limited edition. It has these butterfly printing. It's color changing.
Here. This one is very loud. Wait, wait. I need to pop it first so it can be loud.
Wait, is that just kind of loud? Oh, can you add more? Guys, I'm gonna scam her.
This.
Okay, add. Can you add all your fidgets? Cause this is
No. This one and this. That's all I have.
Girl, that's
Can you please add one? Except. Here's a free talking squishmallow.
I don't like this. Oh, okay, I like it now. Oh, guys, I'm the one who got scammed. But scammed to do her things in my many. Leave the game. Guys, I completely scammed her. Okay, guys, that's the end for the video.
Play.
And say hi, Abu.
Hello.
And I will kiss you. Mwah. Very good. I'm gonna keep playing with this carpet. It I found at the cub. See, guys, this carpet is super cool. Heart. Bye, guys.